Meaning of imbue.
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 Imbue. The word imbue means to infuse or inspire something or someone with a particular quality or feeling. When you imbue something, you are filling it with a specific characteristic or essence. For example, a writer might imbue their characters with certain emotions or traits to make them more dynamic and engaging, or a teacher might try to imbue their students with a love of learning. The result of imbuing something is that it takes on a new, enriched quality or becomes infused with a particular essence or characteristic, making it more vibrant and impactful.